In this clip, I will show you how to make a fish using the fish base. This is a model that can be found in this book, Origami Paper Animals by Didier Boursin. So starting with the fish base, we are going to fold the flaps down, and on this side, we are going to cut along the center crease to the very middle of the unit. So opening the page, opening the layers, cut along the center crease. Right to the middle of the unit. Don't go beyond that. Refold, and holding it horizontally, we are going to fold the entire unit in half. Along the open side of the layers, fold it mountain fold. Now taking one of these cut sections, we are going to fold it down 90 degrees so that the edge is aligned with the center crease here. Now taking this, we are going to fold it in behind, following this edge here. Flip the entire unit over, and we have this flap that will eventually become our pectoral fin. So fold this in half to the other side along, that is aligning to the center crease, and do a pleat fold by folding the flap right back to the other side, like that.